Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chat Flow. In this video, we are going to understand how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your travel agency. So as a travel agency owner, I receive a lot of inquiries on my WhatsApp number from my customers. So now here I wish to instantly reply to these queries using a chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to build a WhatsApp chatbot over here to reply to my queries instantly using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So to learn about this chatbot in detail, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot for your travel agency that can reply to customer inquiries instantly, even while you sleep. So it helps answer common questions, share package details, and capture leads automatically, saving you time and boosting your customer service. Alright, so as someone running a travel agency, I often get a lot of messages from people asking about tour packages, visa details, or bookings, sometimes even late at night. So now replying to every message manually takes a lot of time and I may even miss some inquiries. So that's why I decided to build a WhatsApp chatbot, and it helps answer common questions instantly, share package details, collects travel preferences, and even capture lead information 24/7. So this way I can provide better service, save time, and never miss a potential customer again. Alright, so here on my screen you can see my travel agency chatbot that I've already created using Pabbly Chat Flow, that is an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. And now firstly here in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created over here. Alright, so now here to see the working of this chatbot, let me take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've connected with my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So let's suppose that I'm a customer over here and I'm going to drop a text on this WhatsApp number that says hey, and then I'm going to send this text. And here you can see I've received a message as, hello traveler, welcome to Vendor-Wise Holidays where your dream trip begins. So what would you like to do today? View packages, talk to us, or plan my trip. So let's click on this view packages. And then you can see it has sent me a message that says here are some amazing travel packages: Bali Bliss, Thailand, Escape, Kashmir Beauty. And then it says want a detailed itinerary. So it says send itinerary or main menu. So let's click on the send itinerary and it is asking me to select the destination. So let's select some random destination. And here you can see we have received the itinerary for this Thailand special. That means day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 and day 6 itinerary over here. Alright, so it has two options that says book now and main menu. So let's click on this book now. And then it says, awesome, let's lock in your dream trip. Please choose your preferred travel month. So here I'm going to select a random travel month. And here you can see that it has sent me a message that says, thank you for your interest. Our team will get back to you shortly with complete details and next steps. Meanwhile, feel free to ask questions or explore more travel options. Alright, so with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I've created using Pabbly Chat Flow. Alright, so now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this amazing chatbot using Pabbly Chat Flow, that is all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform over here for your travel agency. Alright, so first to begin with this chatbot, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers. And then it will direct you to the Pabbly Chat Flow's home page. Alright, so here on the screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's home page, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, then you can click on the sign up free and try Pabbly Connect for free today. And if you're an existing user, you need to click on the sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build my WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to use Pabbly Chat Flow by clicking on this access now given over here. And now here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's dashboard. So here you all might be thinking that what is basically Pabbly Chat Flow. So let me give a brief about it. So Pabbly Chat Flow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their website and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions, and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chat Flow to save time, improve customer support, and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable, and helps businesses provide quick responses, which keeps customers happy and boost conversions. Alright, so this was all about Pabbly Chat Flow, and now if you wish to learn about the Pabbly Chat Flow account setup step by step in detail, then you can check out the video attached over here on this dashboard. Alright, and here also if you wish to learn about some amazing features that Pabbly Chat Flow offers that are given in the left side bar in detail, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each feature on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so let me give an overview of features over here. So here this is the dashboard, and here you can see the another feature that says inbox. So here in this inbox feature you can see the entire WhatsApp chats of your number. Here in this contacts field you can add the contacts, and you can also see the contact list of your customers. And then here it comes team queues feature, where you can see all your team members and the chats assigned to them. Also you can see the status of the chats. And then here in this templates feature you can create the template for your WhatsApp message. And then it comes for the broadcast. So here by using this feature you can send and create the broadcast messages for your business. And then it comes for the flow. So using this flows feature you can build a WhatsApp chatbot for your businesses. And then it comes settings, and here in the settings you can see all other features as well. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to these features. And then here it comes get help option. Alright, so this was all about the features of Pabbly Chat Flow. And now here to build a new WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to access the flows over here. And here under this flow builder you can see all the existing flows that I've created using Pabbly Chat Flow till now. So now here to build a new WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to create a new flow over here. So for that I'm going to click on this add a flow button given on the top right corner. And now here firstly I'm going to give a name to my flow, that is travel agency. And now here after giving a name to my flow, it is asking me to set up the flow start. So here in this flow start, I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see I can set up the trigger as keywords, regex or template also. So here if you wish to set up the trigger as a template message, then you can choose the template from your template library, or you can set up the trigger as keywords and the regex as well. So here we will choose the trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So here we will add keywords like hey, hello, hi. So these are the some basic keywords that a customer could send. So here I've typed the keyword that is hey first, and then I'm going to press enter to make it a valid keyword. Alright, so I'm going to add another keywords as well that are hello and hi. Now whenever a user sends a message with these words, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. One person might say, I want to know about this particular destination, while another might write, tell me about the Bali package. So instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger, and then the chatbot will detect the common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. Alright, so here you need to enter the regex to match the substring trigger, and here you need to enable this toggle for each sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle by entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so here I've selected my trigger type as keywords, and now we are going to set up this chatbot for these keywords further. Alright, so I'm going to add a text box over here, and now firstly I'm going to add a welcome or a hello message for my customers that says, hello traveler, welcome to Vendor-Wise Holidays, where your dream trip begins. What would you like to do today? So this is the message, and now I'm going to add quick replies button for these messages to make it more interactive. So here I'm going to add the text as view packages, talk to us and plan my trip. Alright, so these are the quick replies button that I've added over here, and now further I'm going to build this chatbot for each of the quick reply button given over here. Alright, so let's move forward with view packages. So I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to add the text as here are some amazing travel packages, and these are the packages available, and then it says want a detailed itinerary. So this is the message, and similarly I'm going to add two more quick reply button for this message box, where I'm going to add the text as send itinerary and main menu. Alright, so here I've added two quick replies button that are for the send itinerary and back to main menu. So firstly I'm going to connect this back to menu quick reply button to the main message box, and now let's move forward with the send itinerary quick reply button. So for that I'm going to add another text box over here, and here in this text box I'm going to add text as select destination. So here I'm going to ask user to select a destination for itinerary. So I'm going to add quick replies button over here, and here in these buttons I'm going to add the destinations such as Bali Bliss, Thailand Escape and Kashmir Beauty. So basically these are the destinations, and now what I'm going to do is that I'm now further going to add the itinerary for each of the destination and each of the quick replies button over here by adding the text boxes. Alright, so firstly I'm going to add the itinerary for the Bali Bliss. So this is the entire itinerary, and now I'm going to add two quick replies button over here with the text such as book now and back to main menu. Alright, so now here after adding the message box for this Bali Bliss, that means the itinerary for this Bali Bliss, I'm going to add the itineraries for these quick replies button as well. Alright, so I'm going to add it over here. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added the itinerary for each of the destination over here with the same quick replies button such as book now and back to main menu. Alright, so now firstly I'm going to connect all the back to main menu reply buttons to the main message box. Alright, so I'm going to build this connection first. And here you can see I've successfully connected all the back to menu quick replies button to the main message box. Alright, so now let's move forward and now let's set up the chatbot for this book now quick reply button. So as soon as my customer is going to select book now option, then automatically I want to send them a message that says, awesome, let's lock in your dream trip. Please choose your preferred travel month. Alright, so here in this message box, I'm going to ask for the traveling month from my customer. And now here I'm going to connect all the book now quick replies button to this message box as well. Alright, so I've connected all the book now quick replies button over here. And then I'm going to add quick replies button over here such as April to July, August to October and November to Jan. So these are the month preferences. And now whenever my customer is going to select any of the month, then I want to send them a message that says, thank you for your interest. Our team will get back to you shortly with complete details and next steps. Meanwhile, feel free to ask any questions or explore more travel questions. Alright, so this is the message that I want to send to my customer. And now I'm going to add a single quick reply button over here that says, back to main menu. Alright, so now here before connecting this quick reply button to the main message, I'm going to connect all the month options to this message box first. Alright, so I'm going to build this connection over here and now I'm going to connect this back to main menu message quick reply button to the main message box. Alright, so now let's move forward and now I'm going to set up the start bot for this particular quick reply button that says talk to us. Alright, so I'm going to add a text box over here and here I'm going to add the text such as our contact details, that our phone number, email and the timing to contact us. Alright, so now after adding the contact details, I'm going to add quick replies button over here such as view packages and back to main menu. Alright, so I've added the message box for talk to us as well. And now I'm going to connect this main menu quick reply button to the main message box. And then I'm going to connect this view packages quick reply button to the message box of this view packages only because I'm going to continue this flow from here. Alright, so with this we have set up this quick reply button as well. And now let's move to the plan my trip quick reply button. So for this quick reply button, I want to directly ask to my customer about the destination. So I'm going to connect this quick reply button to this message box and then I want to continue this flow from this message box only. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this entire chatbot for our travel agency using Pabbly Chartflow. Alright, so now after building the chatbot successfully, I'm going to click on the save button given on the top right corner. And here you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully saved this flow. So now let's see the working of this amazing chatbot that we just right now created. And here to see the working of this chatbot, let me take you back to my WhatsApp account. So this is my WhatsApp account and now I'm going to clear this entire chat to start it from the scratch. Alright, so I have cleared the chat over here and then I'm going to type a message to my customer that is, hey. And here you can see we have successfully received a message as, hello traveler, welcome to Vendorwise Holidays where your dream trip begins. What would you like to do today? So here we have received 3 quick replies buttons such as view packages, talk to us and plan my trip. So let's click on this talk to us first and we have received our contact details and the quick reply button as view packages and back to main menu. So let's click on this view packages and then it has sent us some amazing travel packages for Bali, Thailand and the Kashmir, and then it is asking me to send itinerary or back to main menu. So let's click on the send itinerary and then it is asking me to select the destination. So let's select Kashmir this time. And here you can see we have received the Kashmir itinerary over here and the option of book now and back to main menu. So let's click on this book now. And then it says, oh, let's lock in your dream trip. Please choose your preferred travel month. So let's select the travel month. And it says, thank you for your interest. Our team will get back to you shortly with the complete details and next steps. Meanwhile, feel free to ask any questions or explore more travel options. So I'm going to click on this back to main menu. And we have received the main message again. So let's click on this plan my trip option over here. And then directly it is asking me to select the destination. So let's select Bali this time. And we have received the itinerary for this Bali trip. So now let's click on this book now. And then it is asking me to select the travel month. So let's select the travel month. And then it says, thank you for your interest. Our team will get back to you shortly with the complete details and next steps. Meanwhile, feel free to ask any questions or explore more travel options. So I'm going to click on this back to main menu. And then we are back to the main message. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that we just right now created using Pabbly Chatflow for our travel agency. Alright, so now here let me show you another amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, given in the left side bar. And here in the inbox you can see all the WhatsApp chats of your WhatsApp number, and here in the chat you can also see the entire chat between your customer and the WhatsApp chatbot that you created using Pabbly Chat. Alright, so here you can see the entire chat, and also you can see the status of the messages such as sent, delivered or read. Alright, and also you can see the customer details given over here in the right side panel. Alright, so this was all about the inbox feature. Let's move back to our flows. And now here let me summarize the entire chatbot that we just right now created. So here I've taken my trigger as keywords, and then I've set up a hello message for my customer with the quick replies button as view packages, talk to us and plan my trip. And then I've further set up this chatbot for view packages option, where I've added some amazing packages, and the quick reply button as send itinerary or back to main menu. And then I've set up the chatbot for send itinerary, where I've asked my customer to select the destination first, and then I've added the quick replies button with the destination names. And then further I've set up the chatbot for each quick reply button with their itineraries, that means the destination itineraries, with the quick reply button as book now and back to main menu. And then here for the book now quick reply button, I have added a message box to ask about the travel month, and here for the message box I have added the quick reply button as the travel month expected. And after selecting the months, I have added a thank you for your interest message box with the quick reply button as back to main menu. Alright, and then I've set up the chatbot for this talk to us quick reply button with her contact details, and the quick reply button as view packages and back to menu. And then here for the plan my trip, I have simply connected this quick reply button to my destination message box so that my chatbot can continue from that flow only. Alright, so this was all about this chatbot that we just right now created. And now here, if you wish to learn about some amazing chatbots in future as well, then you have to stay tuned on our YouTube channel. And also if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. That's all for this video. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.